Ará ilé ẹni ní ṣe ni, ẹ̀bìtì ò pa èèrà. What this proverb means is that now your village people dey your matter because ẹ̀bìtì no fit kill tambolo. Okay, what is ẹ̀bìtì? EBITI is a trap, a very old, ancient trap, and this is how it works. You suspend a heavy load, usually a large stone, on a rod, and then at the base of that rod, you put a bait to attract the animal you want to trap or kill. That rod is placed in such a way that it always flings forward at the establishment of contact with the base. The slanted manner in which the rod is positioned makes it always fling forward, never backward. This is why it is also said that iwájú iwájú ni ọ̀pá ẹ̀bìtì ń ré sí. Ọ̀pá ẹ̀bìtì is referring to the rod upon which the load, the EBITI, has been suspended. Now, this EBITI trap will never work for an ant because an ant will never be heavy enough to make the EBITI fall on it, even if they are in thousands. So if you find an ant being trapped by an EBITI, just know that someone close to that ant has orchestrated its downfall. Maybe a fellow jealous ant. In other words, na person wey no person dey do person. So if the Yoruba want to tell you that this your problem, there is more to it than meets the eye. E be like say person wey know you dey do you. They will say, ará ilé ẹni ní ṣe ni, ẹ̀bìtì ò pa èèrà. Na person wey no person dey do person. Ẹ̀bìtì no fit kill tambolo. And that is the context of that beautiful proverb. Wàá ṣeré.